everyone, day 64. As you can see, the paint job is done. Yeah, they managed to get the second coat done in the end, and then my missus, being the absolute fucking warrior that she is, came out here and in a day, no, not even a day, in the night, yeah, Monday night, yeah, she came out here and did 3 coats. It is buggering warm right now, so hence them being able to dry quick and still get proper adhesion. And what an incredible job she's done. She even managed to avoid all the wood. That was her choice. Added a lot of extra stress, but you know, look how pretty it is. It does feel harsh to get rid of it, and it's a lovely little nod to the fact that this is a homemade thing. You know, so why cover it up and hide it? Like, try and be proud of what I've done here. So, yeah, that's what she's done. And Jesus Christ, I can't even believe it how good it looks in here now. I've got the replacement for that now, so that's fine. And as you can see, and as per the start of the video, I've started the second fix electrics. Yay! These sockets will be coming off before my electrician, my uncle, comes around to do a proper inspection and everything. But for now, I'm going to screw them on so I know I've got all the screws covered. And I'll just whip around and take them all off before he comes on Saturday. As you can see, I put in... Well, this one won't have to come off. This is the interwebs, as you can see. So that's all hooked up now and tested. And I'm still getting gigabit speeds out of that. Yay! For someone who was asking, there is plenty of clearance there. Even more so over there. Apparently that one's not quite level. So I haven't done these 2 sockets yet. I just did this one for the funsies. I won't take it off and show you, but suffice to say, the blue goes to the blue hole, the brown goes to the brown hole, and the yellow and green hole go to the yellow and green hole. And if you don't get that, then don't do your own electrics. Yeah, the brush plates are in though for the trunking up the wall. Woo! Yeah, I'm so chuffed with how they look. I am absolutely chuffed. Chuffed to bits, as Mumbo Jumbo would say. There you go. So that's in and looking absolutely beautiful. And we got our Fire Angel in. So his mains powered with a battery backup. And that's on there. Just took the time to get it level. Or like, not level, but like, you know, it's upright. Oh, there you go. It did a little, hi, I'm still here protecting you flash. That's all there is for today. I've got to go in because my missus is going to the gym, so I get the kiddie winkles. So yeah, that's about half an hour's work. So, I don't know, the rest of this should only take me a couple of hours maybe. The only tricky bits are the fuse spur, pulling the wire from the radiator back through, and the light switch, because I want to keep this long ass cable. I'm going to put it in as a jerry-rigged power supply. So I'll put it into the in so I can keep running it off of the fuse plug, because otherwise it's going to be a bugger to run in here. So nothing in this box will be powered. In fact, let's do this right now. Oh wait, hold on, green's safe, red's on. Yeah, so off. So I'll just keep everything off in here. So all these circuit breakers are broken. So it'll be safe to feed some power up this. What should be the supply line will be, well, it's this one. This is what should be the supply line. That will be taking some power up the live into there via this plug. So as long as that circuit breaker's broken, then it won't be supplying the bus bar, so the rest of it will be safe. So it should all be completely isolated. That's not to say that I'm going to do this one until last, though. Yeah, because why would I take the risk, right? I want to be able to work in here on the desk and moving in day and blah, blah, blah. But until electrical sign up and final hookup of the steel wire armoured, why would I bother? You know, it is just do that one last, and then you're not even worried about whether these ones are live or not, because right now they're connected to a cable that goes to my garage and to the rest of the reel. So there's no power on it. So there you go. There's a useful tip. That's what I have for today. Hopefully tomorrow I'll get out and do the rest of it. Thank you very much for watching. Chuck us a like if you're as excited as I am, or even if you're not. Chuck us a comment if you actually have anything to say about this, if you want to know anything about it, how I've chosen it, where I got the bits from, what brands I've chosen and why. Money is the answer. And what the rest of these holes are for, you know? So, give me a comment. I'd really love to answer your questions. Yeah, and chuck us a subscribe. Hello to my new subscribers. Getting a couple of you a video now, which is awesome. I'm super chuffed that you're actually getting something out of these. So let me know why you're subscribed in the comments, and I'll do more of that and less of what you say not to. Thanks so much. I'll see you tomorrow.